After you've confirmed your new account, your email and your new account, and you've entered the access code for Cairo American College, which is CAC Egypt, you'll be directed to the home screen for yTeach. On the left-hand side of the home screen are all of the different categories of lessons, and they're separated by years. So years 11 through 13 would generally be middle school, 14 through 16 would generally be lower high school, and then 17 through 19 would be upper high school and even IB level classes. In order to find an assignment, just click on one of the topics, and then a new menu will appear with all of the topics and all of the lessons that are available. So for science in the middle school, there are about 80 different lessons that are available on various topics, and they are grouped according to categories which are largely based on the British system, because that was the original design of the yTeach website. However, they're still very applicable for what we do in an American system. The easiest type of lessons to start with are the class activities. So I'm going to do, as an example, a lesson on drugs and health. And then for resource type, I'm going to select class activity. And this class activity is it's a collection of smaller activities that students can do. So to view the activity, just click the play button. And to navigate through the lesson, there are buttons at the top of the screen. Also on the side here, there are some tools that pop out on the left during the activities. There'll be a variety of different kinds of activities that the students need to complete. There will be videos that the students need to watch. And when the student has completed working through all of the assignments, the very last page will have a review of how much they've completed and how many errors and hints they used. So if you'd like to use this assignment, what you would do is send as homework. You create a name for your assignment. So for this one, I'll just do CAC Drugs and Health. Instructions can be something, whatever you want to tell your students. This will appear on the start screen of the assignment. So I'll just say, complete the assignment as per the instructions. Access code. Now this is the code that your students will use to access this particular assignment. So I will do CAC drugs and health. And then create class assignment. All right, well that is it. The assignment is set up. There is one last step, however, and that is that the assignment needs to be unlocked for the students to actually be able to access the assignment. So I'll click on the link that says return to the list of class assignments, and what it will do is it will take me to this list of assignments that I've set up. So here's the one that we just completed, CAC Drugs and Health, with the access code that we've identified, but it says locked. If you select the link that says unlock, you can choose the number of days that you would like it to be available for students to work on. So we'll just pick 10 days as an example. Click unlock, and then it's ready to be worked on by students. So at this point, I'm going to log out and I'll show you how students would access the assignment. For students, instead of accessing yTeach.com, there's actually a portal, www.ylearnonline.com. Here the the students would enter their name and the access code that you've chosen for that particular assignment. Select Start Assignment. Here's the instructions that we entered. They would select Start, and then they are taken to the first page of their class assignment. All right, and here we go. So the students would complete this assignment, complete any of the activities that they can complete. I'll just run through a couple here, not worrying about mistakes. They can check their answers as they go through. At the end, they'll see a list of how many errors they've made, how much of this particular page they've completed, and then the total. At the very end of the assignment, the student would select Close Class Assignment, and then their score is submitted to you to be able to view. So as a teacher, if you wanted to view the student's work, you would log into yTeach.com. Navigate to My Class Assignments. And then now, on the assignment, it says there is one result. So click on the result, and here it shows Stuart Dent, and it shows you that he, which is the example that I just did, completed 2% of the assignment. He spent 41 seconds on the assignment and made 5 mistakes. And if you actually selected the name, Stuart Dent, you could see all of the assignments that that student has completed. And then again, if you click on the particular assignment, it would actually take you straight back to the assignment and show you their exact score for that assignment. All right, so yTeach potentially could be a very valuable resource, especially right now as a lot of teachers are away and or trying to create virtual lessons for students that are not in the country right now. Or it would be excellent for homework activities as well, supplemental activities for things that are happening in the classroom. I hope you find it useful.